Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is a special message and it's an urgent request for all the people who are listening. Wherever you are, whoever you are, whatever religion do you follow, whatever religion you do not follow, please write to your local governments to actually raise voice against Israeli crimes against Palestinians, against Israel's oppression against Palestinians. You will be responsible for this atrocity and not making noise, not speaking up against this, because it's against the human rights, and human rights protectors, human rights activists should actually speak up and make other people aware of these atrocities of Israel against innocent Palestinians. There is no bilateral damage. There is no two-way. There is no war over there. It's pure oppression, genocide caused by Israel, killing everybody who is Palestinian. And nobody is actually able to stop them. So please, 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 for the humanity's sake, speak up, make noise, write to your local politicians and make them speak up as well. You don't have to be a Muslim to speak for Palestinians. Remember that it's about the humanity and you need to be at the forefront of human values and for the protection of human rights. Thank you so much.